Hello friends, welcome to the series on world map. In my previous videos, I have discussed borders of Caspian Sea, borders of Black Sea, borders of Baltic Sea, and we have to discuss borders of Mediterranean Sea as well. So before we discuss borders of Mediterranean Sea in my coming videos, I would like to discuss Balkan Peninsula. So, peninsula is a land mass which is surrounded by water bodies on three sides, and the fourth side it is in continuity with the land mass. So, for a peninsula, there should be three, there should be seas or oceans surrounding it on the three sides. So, first I will list the countries in the Balkan Peninsula, and then we'll discuss the water bodies surrounding it. So, the countries in the Balkan Peninsula are Slovenia. See, we have a famous country, Italy. So, Italy is not part of Balkan Peninsula. So, I am starting with Slovenia, and then Croatia. Then you have Bosnia and Herzegovina. This is Bosnia and Herzegovina. And Serbia belong to Balkan Peninsula. And then Montenegro, Kosovo, Albania, North Macedonia, and then Greece in the south. Then you have Moldova, Romania, Bulgaria. This is Turkey. Turkey belongs to Asia, whereas a small portion of Turkey lies in Europe. I will call this as European Turkey. European Turkey belongs to Balkan Peninsula. So the countries in Balkan Peninsula are Slovenia. This is Croatia. Croatia extends till here. And then you have this country which is Bosnia and Herzegovina. Then you have Serbia, and then four countries. This is Montenegro. Montenegro, Montenegro is here, and then Kosovo, Albania, North Macedonia. So remember the four countries in four quadrants: 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember in the same order: Montenegro, Montenegro, Kosovo, Albania, and North Macedonia. Then you have Greece. It is very important to remember that Ukraine is not part of Balkan Peninsula. So because of Russia-Ukraine war, it is very important to know that Ukraine is not part of Balkan Peninsula, whereas Moldova, which is border to Ukraine, is part of Balkan Peninsula. And you have Romania, Bulgaria, and then European Turkey. You can see Balkan Peninsula extends from here, and this is also Balkan Peninsula here. until here. So, and we will observe the map clearly. If you see, Slovenia is having coastline with Adriatic Sea. It's a small coastline. If you see, Croatia is sharing its border with Adriatic Sea for a long distance. In fact, Croatia is having a big coastline, larger coastline compared to the other seas. This is very important to observe here. Bosnia and Herzegovina is having a very small coastline. Yeah, Croatia is little bit rude towards Bosnia and Herzegovina, and this part of the map is shared in Facebook posts several times. So from the Facebook posts only, I have observed this portion of map, and which helped me to remember the map as well. So Slovenia, Croatia, these are first two countries, and then try to remember Bosnia, Herzegovina and Serbia together. So Bosnia, Herzegovina, then Serbia, and these four countries try to remember together: Montenegro, Kosovo, Albania, North Macedonia. Here, if you observe Serbia and Kosovo border, which is not a thick line, whereas it is a dashed line, it means the boundary is not fixed, or Serbia has not recognized this boundary, and Serbia still considers Kosovo as part of Serbia. So there is a boundary dispute, or in fact territorial dispute, between Serbia and Kosovo. So but still I am placing Kosovo along with the countries Montenegro, Albania, North Macedonia for memory purpose. Greece I am remembering separately. Romania, Bulgaria I will remember together. Romania, Bulgaria. And then try to remember Ukraine and Moldova together. And now we will see the water bodies which are surrounding Balkan Peninsula. See, Balkan Peninsula shares its border with Adriatic Sea here, which is northwestern side, and then you have Black Sea on the eastern side. Also, you have two more seas here, one is Ionian Sea in southwest direction. Otherwise, you have Aegean Sea in southeast direction. So four water bodies are surrounding Balkan Peninsula. One is Black Sea, Adriatic Sea, Ionian Sea, then Aegean Sea. So on the east side of Greece you have Aegean Sea. On the west side of Greece you have Ionian Sea. So thank you for watching the video, and try to remember the countries of Balkan Peninsula in the same order, then it will be very easy for you. I repeat the order. Remember Slovenia and Croatia together, Bosnia and Herzegovina and Serbia, these two countries together, Montenegro, Kosovo, Albania, North Macedonia, four countries you remember together, and then Greece you remember separately. Always remember Ukraine, Moldova together. Ukraine is not part of Balkan Peninsula. whereas Moldova is part of Balkan Peninsula. And then try to remember Romania and Bulgaria together. And don't forget European part of Turkey, which is also part of Balkan Peninsula. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, try to follow my videos regularly. And for that you have to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon. I am telling once again, I will certainly make all the questions which appear in 2023 UPSC prelims paper to appear easily for you. Thank you.